walking the park that goes along the fortress walls, and of course there's this event happening over here. It looks like some sort of motocross, like almost like a Tough Mudder motocross kind of idea. But I thought I'd tell you, like, this would be a great place, and I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow to have a picnic. It's really nice. It's got towers. It's really part of the fortress wall, and you can walk a lot of the fortress wall. So check it out. I think it's really cool. Obviously, you know, you guys just saw a bunch of it, so let me know what you think in the comments below, and let's just continue on. There was just the cutest cat at the Natural History Museum, and I thought, well, it was like more of a kitten. I thought it was going to try to follow me home, so I had to run. We'll talk about the Natural History Museum later when I kind of recap the day, because I just want to get, it's starting to drizzle a little bit more. So here we go. I'm trying to get this done as quickly as I possibly can because it's starting to rain. Not hard yet, but still kind of drizzly, and I don't really like to have my phone equipment out during it. So we are now walking more along the fortress walls and getting a little wet. I think I'm gonna have to stop and put my hoodie on. Give me a second. Okay, better. I have it on now. If it starts raining, I have a way to get my head reasonably covered. Right now it's still just kind of sprinkling, so it's not too horrible. Plus, when I'm not filming, I can put you guys under my hoodie so my phone doesn't get too wet. All right, guys, check it out. All right, guys, I hope you can kind of see me. Looks like we're gonna be stuck under this arch for a couple of minutes at least. Weighing options if I really want to go through the park that I saw yesterday just because of the weather. I'm thinking I might head back up and go back into the main square, get some lunch, and just kind of end our tour there. There is a really great park that's right near these walls. I think though, to protect my gear and to protect my health, that we are not going to be able to get to it. After this, there really wasn't much else to see except for the park. So yeah, I think we're going to leave it there. I'm actually going to put you guys up and start to hike back to the main center, like I said, to have lunch. That is Sibiu in a nutshell. I probably didn't see everything, but I saw a lot of it. comments. I promise I'll get back to you. If you're digging on what I'm doing, like, comment, share. Make sure you check out my links to my social media as well as my blog down in the description below. And that is where I will leave this. So until next video, guys, safe journeys.